Welcome to our channel Space Tech Lion.
For the first time in history, a nuclear fusion experiment produced more energy than it consumed. Nuclear fusion is an energy-generating reaction that fuses atoms into more complex ones. Nuclear fusion occurs in the cores of stars when large amounts of molecular dust are compressed by gravity, creating high levels of pressure and heat. Scientists have been attempting to harness this process for sustainable energy generation, but have had limited success. Recently, a team from the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory in California may have made a significant breakthrough in creating stars inside reactors on Earth. The experiment involved using 192 lasers to bombard a small pellet of fuel, causing it to release more energy than the lasers put in. The latest experiment produced more energy than it consumed, meaning that the reaction was briefly able to sustain itself using its own energy to continue fusing hydrogen atoms instead of relying on the heat from the lasers. While this is only a preliminary step towards using fusion for clean energy, the researchers at LLNL believe it to be a significant breakthrough. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.